Hi, I am Dr. B.S. Murthy, Director of Orthopedics at Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, New Delhi. If the patient is not having debilitating patient or severe arthritis, in that situation he should be taking good exercises, diet control, weight reduction, and certain precautions like not sitting cross-legged, squatting, these precautions, and less climbing of stair climbs. So this will take care of his arthritis and will prevent progression of the disease. Revision is a difficult situation. Anything can be happening in there in the hip. It can be due to infection, post-traumatic, or aseptic loosening. So in those situations, lot of bone loss is there. So main concern is usually the bone loss, and we try to reconstruct as much as possible along with the bones that are available like autologous or autonomous, or we use the augments that are available to make as much as possible the loss of the bone. Yeah, because technology is improving day by day, and with the AI coming into it, we should be doing more of it in orthopedics. So now that the robotics have come, this robot I am using is a third generation robotic, and it is giving me precise cuts and also balance, so that I now have a numbers which I used to do last 30 years with my own experience. Now I know what I am doing on the patient, so that we get a numbers of our balance and alignment.